How much could you achieve if you could start afresh? That's a question I'd love you to ask yourself. What would it be like if you could wipe the slate clean from the things that have been holding you back so that you could be able to move forward towards what you want without continuously sabotaging yourself and acting in ways that don't serve you? If you're somebody that feels trapped in endless loops of patterns, negative thoughts, maybe addictive behaviors, things that wreck your self-confidence, things that hold you back, maybe you've got traumas and negative experiences that make you feel like a prisoner of the same old behaviors, especially the things that really trap you in your ability to be able to fulfill your potential, then I've got something to share with you. Now, I know this is challenging, and I know that there are a lot of people who are offering things that don't necessarily help very much, but the truth is sometimes the changes that you really want are not that complicated. They can help you to transform your life relatively quickly. You can start to shift things by understanding how to work with your unconscious, how to work with your internal sense of self, and how to become symptom aware, trigger aware, process aware, and change the way that your mind actually processes information. Now, if you really want to transform your life, then you have to come to terms with this. You have to start to work with the cognition of your mind to be able to release this inner ball and chain and to discover new resources and new levels of emotional intelligence from the depths of inside yourself that will give you the clarity, that will give you the confidence, that will start to enliven your strength and authenticity so that you can be powerful to be able to move forward in your life, whether that's with women or with your professional life or with your leadership or with your friends. It's something that you can start to get into contact with and you can start to work with on a consistent basis. Now, how do we do this? Well, the way that I do it when I work with people is we work one-on-one and we work on transformation in a way where we get to work together. I get to specifically go into your story, help you with specific personalized strategies, and to help you to move forward to release your traumatic memories and experiences and blocks, to be able to learn what emotional healing and shift of your mind towards positive behaviors actually means, and to be able to develop a genuine sense of inner strength and resilience inside of yourself. Whether you're a man or a woman, it builds power in your ability to have success in relationships. So if you're ready to stop spinning those wheels, if you're ready to start to actually become magnetic and free up your subconscious mind so that you can move towards unshakable personal power and you can have the things that you really want, now is the time. So book in a session. It's all free to begin with. There's no commitment or obligation beyond the first initial call. You're going to get access to a free ebook, you're going to get access to a free assessment, and you're going to get access to me for a free onboarding call. It's no obligation. So check it out. I'll see you guys on the other side. This is the Shaman saying peace. May all your dreams come true. And I look forward to sharing more wonderful news with you. And check out this beautiful day that we're sharing here.